Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are in the Great Tillamook Forest with the KLX here. We're gonna hit some trails with the beasts right here. KLX Stage 3, ported head, big bore, board throttle body, exhaust, power commander. You guys know the deal. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up with content. Let's go ahead and get geared up and get on the bike. Alright guys, gonna get on this trail here to warm up a little bit. Let's go. Back to where I made my first off-road video on the KLX. He's got some big rocks over here. Let's head out onto the trail. Hit some logs, shall we? Oh yeah, all the torque. So this trail is kind of sort of a climbing trail. It's not super high speed. So it kind of favors some torque a bit. Especially right here. This one, just lug right up it on the KLX. Trying to hop over some of these whoops here. So that's the end of that trail. Get down here. There were some nice whoops there. Those were kind of fun to hit on the KLX now that I expected them. I actually kind of take the front wheel up on them a little bit. So like I said, tried to keep a brisk pace through that. Ooh yeah, caught some air on that one. But like I said, that trail is kind of hill climbing territory. Oh, yes. That is some good fun right there. For those of you wondering, I'm on the stock suspension settings, whatever that is. Not sure, but my point in that saying is that I haven't adjusted it, so it's how it came from the factory. Yes. Another one. And another one. Alright. So yeah, people always talk about the KLX, you know, not having MX-like suspension, or the suspension is plush and whatnot, but of course I have the extra power, but with the way the suspension is set up, I really like it because it's really plush. I haven't bottomed out yet, and I still have more compression to dial in. Go ahead and hit some open fire roads here before we head back. Starting to get a little bit better at getting the KLX sideways through the corners a bit. A lot of its body position, of course, being used to the bike sliding out, but better than the first time I went for sure. Alright, let's go ahead and turn around here. See if we can. Take off on another trail. Get some clips going downhill on the hill climb trail. That should be fun, but it probably won't be very high speed. We'll be able to see how maneuverable the KLX is going down some of the hills. Oh yeah. Let's just take a second and admire the view up here. Wow. Pretty sweet. Alright, let's go ahead and get back to the power lines here. since I shouldn't be riding by myself, and I want to take my brother out on some trails. On his 140L. He's been waiting to come out here as well, so I want to take him out here, get him on some trails. So into the forest we go. Alright, so this should be fun. I know we're gonna have to go down some pretty steep stuff here, and it's gonna be a testament to how maneuverable the KLX is. Whoa. Didn't take that jump right. Kinda nosedived a bit. Probably because I unloaded the bike by getting off the throttle. Keep climbing, little KLX. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna say this is easy because every time I do that, it seems that it gets stuck. Oh, this is nothing. Oh, yep, that was a mistake. That was a big rock. Muddy, muddy, muddy. Alright, I think here is some of the downhill stuff. A lot of people wonder also about the cage here, if it gets in the way at all. Not really. It doesn't really get in the way of my foot. Just kind of got to move your foot a little bit further forward and out. So going downhill, some of this stuff, KLX, I mean, it goes where you want it to. Just point the bike in the direction you want, and it goes. Whoa. Skid plate getting some action there on that rock. Alright, here we are back at the logs. Let's go ahead and grab my brother here real quick and take him on some trails. Alright, there's a spot where the cage did hit. Whoops. Alright guys, we're going to finish off the video here with a little bit of riding action here with my brother. This right here is the fun stuff. One of the main reasons why we got our dirt bikes. So that way we could ride together. race! Alright guys, well that is probably going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed already, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the great content. Of course, we got the KLX here, FZ-09, and the Corvette. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the motherfucking greatest, yeah, I'm the greatest. Bitch, my competition, they don't fit that niche. You can try to